An oncocyte is simply an epithelial cell with abundant pink granular cytoplasm due to numerous mitochondria. So cells with the appearance of an oncocyte are described as oncocytic, and they may also be described as eosinophilic, acidophilic, and sometimes oxyphilic. And here is a sketch of an oncocyte, and the reason it has pink cytoplasm is because there are multiple mitochondria resulting in the pink granular appearance. The term oncocyte is a description of the appearance of the cell and not confined to a specific tissue type or the cell's behaviour. Collections of oncocytes may be seen as a result of hyperplasia, adenomas, or carcinomas. Oncocytes may be seen in tissues including the kidneys, thyroid, gut, salivary glands, thoracic and nasal cavities, to name but a few. Perhaps the most well-known oncocytic tumour is the oncocytoma of the kidney. Other oncocytic tumours include the Hurthle cell tumour of the thyroid and the oxyphilic adenoma of salivary gland, also known as oncocytoma, but unrelated to renal oncocytoma. This is a Hurthle cell tumour of thyroid composed of oncocytes with abundant pink staining cytoplasm. This is the microscopic appearance of a renal oncocytoma. And finally, this is an Oxyphil adenoma of parotid, sometimes known as oncocytoma.